How to change Netflix kid account to normal. So if you want to change your Netflix kid account to normal, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Netflix. You can simply go with the Netflix website and make sure to log into your account. Or you can simply go with the browser and log in. Once you've logged in, you can go with the upper right hand corner and select the arrow next to your profile icon and access the drop down menu. Once you access it, you will have Manage Profiles option. Click on Manage Profiles. Once you click on Manage Profile, here you will get this kind of interface where you will have Edit option, right? Resembling a pencil. On the profile you wish to change the profile picture for. So you just need to simply click on it. And after that, you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with Delete Profile, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Delete the profile, and after deleting, you can again create a new profile. So that's how you can change the Netflix kid account to normal. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.